Let's light up some fireworks. Let's go.
Joe, move. I got it. I just looked this one. Alright, for our next one, it's gonna be this TNT. I don't know what it does. My brother's gonna light his. I'm gonna light mine. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Got it.
I have mine. Run. Alright, so we're doing Beyblade battles with these little Beyblade, not Beyblades, but these little poppers. 2.
Got it.
Got mine. Mine didn't light. There we go. Oh man, they didn't touch. I guess mine won a pair. 2, 1. Mine is lit. No, rock away. Run.